So the question is, two interactive genes independently asserting were involved in the same pathway. Absence of either gene's function lead to absence of the end product of the pathway. A dihybrid cross involving the two genes is carried out. What fraction of the F2 progeny will show the presence of the end product? So the options are given 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 9 is to 16 and 15 is to 16. Okay. So here in this question it is already given that absence of other genes functions lead to absence of the end product of the pathway. Okay, that means both the dominant alleles responsible for the production of the end product and they complement to each other. So this is a type of complementary gene interaction. Okay, so when the two genes are in the dominant form, then only the end product will be achieved. Okay, so you can see in this picture, so first is the white pigment, C encodes enzyme C, so enzyme C, then it will be white pigment only. Then the P encodes enzyme P, that will lead to the purple pigment. Okay, so when both the alleles are in the dominant form, then only we are getting the purple pigment. Individual alleles, whether it is dominant or the PP, it will not give rise to the purple pigment. Okay, it has to be in heterozygous form. That means C will be in the dominant form and P also in the dominant form, like this genotype. Okay, so if you see the checkerboard, we will find nine purple pigment will be showing the purple pigmentation. Okay, and the rest 7 will be white in color, which consists of only one dominant allele or two dominant alleles but of the same type, that means CC or PP. Okay, so this is the case. So this is the Punnett square. So in sweet pea, presence of genes, that is capital C, small c, caps P, and small p in homozygous condition produces no color. Okay, that means it will give rise to the production of only white color. Because expression of the chromosome doesn't occur in homozygous condition, while expression of chromosome occurs when these two genes present in the heterozygous condition. Okay, so here the white parent, both are white parent, it give rise to in the F1 generation purple. Then when you are sulfing, then we are getting in the ratio 9:7. That means 9 purple pigment and 7 white pigment. So the white pigment, the genotypes will be caps P, small c, caps C, small p. Okay, and the purple pigmentation, as I already told, it will be always caps P and small c. Okay, it will be present in the heterozygous condition and it will be dominant. Okay, so two of the alleles, it has to be in dominant condition, then only it will give rise to the production of the end product, that is the purple pigmentation, and it will complement to each other. Okay, so this is an example of complementary gene action, which ratio is 9:7. Okay, thank you. Hope this helps.